Njugite ati ni tukwenda turore Akuru aitu wega ni undu mundu wothe ona munini thaici no arikura na andu aria akuru nimo tungiuga ni aciari aitu na nimo ciarire bururi uyu koguo ni tukwenda twakikishia ati ni turarora maslahi mao na turamamenyerera ni urakora Akuru taya mena challenges ni andu matari na andu mangi marora ni andu no koro maroneka mangitigo na kuunja no meko maundu matari mega koguo makareho guku getha makoro under the care of the sisters na njuge ta thirikari ni tukwenda to invest ginya nationally tukoro na government owned homes for the elderly na system ici ni tuonete cikiruta wira mabururi maria makurite makuri America na kuria kungi na njuge ni maundu twagirirwo twicirie tukorwo na system iraruta wira ya kurora akuru aya okorwo ni maundu maria marenda okorwo ni ndawa okorwo ni maundu nokorwo irio iria mararia okorwo ni kindu marahuthira nokorwo ta mai kana thitima ni urakora icio ni challenges ni undu mucii toyo utiri funded ni thirikari no koguo ni andu merutagira getha andu aya mone irio cia kuria getha mone mai ma kunyua getha mone mbeca cia kuriha thitima no gakora ati maundu ta maya ni mo thirikari yagirwo gukorwo thaici igiciria na nginya njire county governments iria ciuko thaici ni twa devolve maundu matikarore tu national government ona no mecirie na mevange uria mangiiga at least mucii umwe pa county twambiririe hau getha tuone uria tuguthii no nginya turore Akuru aitu na thaici ni turamenya andu ni mathamire urban centers ni urakora no ciana ciothe ciathire Nairobi whether mbeca koguo akora Akuru matigitwo matari na andu makumarora na matari na andu nginya makumahe gia kuria Akuru aya ni ndendirwo matiamukagira aingi ao matiamukagira kigina kiu ni urakora aingi ao no korwo muiro micii-ini nginya matire na ivande gutire na mundu angirumithirio getha aheane ivande ciao kana arute detail icio na nie ni njugite ati tugukorwo tukisukumana ni ngathie gucemania na PS wa gender getha turore uria tungitaithiriria Akuru taya aria nginya matai na documentation tuone kana no mahote kuheo waiver maingirio process ni getha monage mbeca cio at least ni igutaithiriria gusukuma mucii uyu na ni ndokite guku hindi ya thigu kumarehera Christmas na ni ndona mucii uyu ndakora ni mutheru ndakora aria mararoro guku Akuru ni atheru nguo iria mekirite ni theru kuria maraikara ni kundu gutheru koguo no njuge nyambe njokerie ngatho sisters aria mararora Akuru aya ni undu uyu ni wira wa kwirutira na ti wira marihago koguo njuge ni mareka wira tungiuga commendable in the society na nindamerire hindi ria ndokite ni manjire matire na macini ya kuhura nguo nindamerite ningucoka guku ndimarehere kigina getha ndimasukume mahote kugura macini yo no muthi nikio ngukite ngionaga uria mahana ngimarehagira mbeca ndiraigite kando ciakwa ndiratinia kamucara gakwa hanini ndamarehera 50,000 getha mahote kugura macini ya kuhura nguo Roria muingi turirikane ati utoria ndauga andu Akuru nimo matuciarite ni aciari aitu nimo makoretwo ho ona ithui no turikura koguo okorwo no wende wikare wega kana uroro wega wakura ona wiririkanaga okorwo wi wira kuria kungi na mamu waku ni utigite mucii kana cucu waku mucii na ndari mundu wa kumurora hakikishaga ati ni uroya jukumu yo na responsibility ugathi ukamurora ukahakikisha kwina irio ukahakikisha ati mundu ucio ndarathinika ni undu no ni responsibility itu andu acio nimo maturorire hindi ria twari anini koguo thaici na ithu ukuru-ini no nginya turihe thiri ucio tumarore.
We started here in Kenya 1983 remote area Marsabit Isiolo and we started here. We have mentally, physically challenged children, and now in St. Mary we are taking care of old mamas, our grandmothers. This home started in 1974. Then it is growing. Starting we have 14 mamas and some wazes. Now wazee wameenda Gaturi. Now only mamas we are taking care. At present we have 42 mamas and we have many challenges. At home we have one mama, we know how it is difficult to take care. So imagine 42 mamas, how much challenge we have. So first of all they need old age, they need some medicine, different medicines. They have pressure, sugar, and mentally depression and tension and all the things they have. We have to treat them. Then only that is a human dignity, we have to give the medicine. And we have some other challenges, water problem. We have one borehole, but the water is not enough. Sometimes we buy the water. That also lot of money. And we don't have the car. When we take to the hospital, we call taxi or father in charge. If there is time, he will also help us to take. Our father in charge is Consolata Fathers, Father Mike Mutinda. He is the one helping everywhere. Then we have challenges. That is a big challenge for car. Taxi, they take a lot of money. And we don't have washing machine. Shimiwa came and we told we don't have washing machine. And she came today and she donated to support to buy the washing machine, 50,000. And she gave some money for the medicine, 5,000. Then we have a lot of challenges. Old age, they need so many things, not only medicine, food, clothing, and good shelter. So we need all the things. Still we are happy. God is helping us different ways. So thank you very much for women rape, Jane, Maina,